Welcome to the podcast. In today's episode, we're diving deep into an exciting new player in the open source database world, Apache Cloudberry. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about Cloudberry? Well, let's break it down. Apache Cloudberry is an incubating project developed by the original creators of Greenplum Database. It's not just your standard database. It's a massively parallel processing, or MPP, database that's designed to handle huge amounts of data and perform complex analytics tasks, all backed by a modern PostgreSQL kernel. So picture this. You have mountains of data, maybe from customer interactions or sales figures, and you want to extract valuable insights quickly. That's where Cloudberry comes in. It's built to serve not only as a robust data warehouse, but also to cater to large-scale analytics and even artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads. Isn't that fascinating? But let's make this relatable. Imagine you're trying to bake a cake. You have your ingredients, but if you don't have a good recipe or the right tools, you might end up with a disaster. Now, in the world of data, Cloudberry acts like that reliable recipe, helping you piece together all the data ingredients into something useful. For those of you eager to get hands-on, building Cloudberry isn't a hassle. You can follow their guides to build it from the ground up on various operating systems like Linux or Mac OS. And if you're short on time or just want a sneak peek, there's a Docker-based sandbox available. It's a quick way to explore the features of Cloudberry with tutorials and sample codes to boot. How cool is that? Now, collaboration is key in open source projects, and Cloudberry is no exception. There are numerous repositories you can check out, each serving a unique purpose, whether it's enhancing the website, connectors, or utilities for backups. For example, there's a dedicated backup utility and even a plugin to help it work with Amazon S3. This is pretty crucial in today's cloud-centric world. Getting involved is also super easy. If you're a developer, you can jump on Slack for real-time discussions or GitHub for questions and fresh ideas. Ever thought about contributing? Whether it's fixing bugs, enhancing features, or just helping with documentation, every bit counts. Just think of it as being part of a large team working together to shape Cloudberry's future. And speaking of the future, there's a roadmap for 2024 already in the works. It lays down the objectives and product plans for Cloudberry, inviting feedback from the community. Imagine being able to influence the direction of a tool that could significantly impact data analytics. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to acknowledge the foundational technologies that make Cloudberry what it is today. Huge shout out to PostgreSQL and Greenplum Database for providing that sturdy groundwork. So what have we learned today? Apache Cloudberry is a powerful, evolving open source database that's set to revolutionize how we think about data warehousing and analytics. Whether you're a developer, a data enthusiast, or just curious about technology, Cloudberry offers a playground for exploration and contribution. Before you go, I'll leave you with this thought. As data continues to grow exponentially, how do you think advancements in databases like Cloudberry will shape the future of technology in businesses? Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to tune in next time for more explorations into the fascinating world of technology.